Guys, today I'm bringing you another unlock tutorial, as you can see, for your Samsung A16. For those of you who forgot this pattern lock or any other password on your device's home screen, I want to remind you once again that it's important to remove your SIM card and your memory card as well. In some cases, and this might be your case, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode. Then you'll go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. Alright? If you also need to unlock your email or your Google account, we can perform this unlock remotely, no matter where you are. You get in touch, talk directly with me so you can clear your doubts, ask your questions, and also check the price for your unlock. But first, let's remove this password. As you can see, it's asking for a pattern or PIN. What is the password? And here it's also locked. You can leave it on this screen. I prefer to leave it here. Let's connect the cable. You're gonna press the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen and the word continue is still on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume button. Alright, great. Did you get it? Let's go. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Volume down. And power, keep holding. Just a few more seconds. Just a few more seconds, release volume down, press volume up because it has already restarted. It's important for you to follow this timing so you don't make a mistake. But if anything goes wrong, just repeat the procedure. You saw that the screen blinked a little, keep holding, now, yes, release. The power button, keep holding the volume up button until it enters. And in recovery mode, once you're in recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable. I also want to remind you that this procedure works for other Samsung models. Now go down by pressing the volume down button until you reach the test option, which is where you can do the reset, then press the power button once. On this other screen, select yes again, confirm once more, and let's wait for this process to complete. Once you get here, confirm one more time. And now your device is already being unlocked. Alright everyone, just wait and turn it on, it will restart and then you'll be able to set it up. If this video helped you, and if you can, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key will also be in the video description, and any amount helps. What really matters is your help, your support, and your gratitude. I hope you all, and that was it. That was today's video. Thanks, take care, see you next time.